Hello, dear students. Today we are going to focus on lesson C, unit number 8. Okay, so as you can see here, everybody, we have the question, did you ask for advice? Okay, in our daily situations, in our daily life, we have different dilemmas. Okay, so when people ask about this, we should give the people advice, talking about different dilemmas. Okay, so for this, we have some words that you are going to use in order to give people advices. Here we have, if I were you, I would, I, okay. So remember, this is the contraction, I. Instead, you can use this instead of I would, okay? So this is better for speaking because it helps us to speak faster, all right? We have I wouldn't, depends on the dilemma, if you want to give your advice in a negative way, all right? And you might want to, and the last is you could. So as you can see here, we have many would, might, and would. The last class I told you those are modals. So that's why, for that reason, we are gonna use the verb in the main form. Okay. So this is not in because the last class I have explained this. Right. So check. The first dilemma is deciding to get a divorce. So this is the dilemma. So when people ask about this, we don't know, we should think how to advise the people who is asking about this. We can use this, okay? So for the first, I choose this, okay? So my advice is this. I'm gonna use this. You could, all right? I just could, yeah, depend on. So my advice about the situation, deciding to get a divorce, is you could talk to a couple counselors, all right? The second dilemma is, I saw a classmate cheating on a test. Okay, so this is kind of difficult. Many of us, we have been in this situation, so we don't know how to react. Or if someone tells me to give an advice, I can say this. If I remember, if I were you, I would talk to the teacher. This is my advice for the person who comes close to me and say, I saw a classmate cheating on a test. All right, remember, I'm gonna use where, like the conditional I. You cannot use was, okay? Remember the rule for the first class. Okay, so the situation and the advice comes like this. If I were you, I would talk to the teacher. That is my advice. Next, the next dilemma is quitting a job. All right, I'm gonna use this. You talk to your boss about your salary. Okay, I'm gonna use would. Okay, so this is my advice. You would talk to your boss about your salary, or you can also say you might want to talk to your boss about your salary. Okay, all of these phrases, all of these words is for giving advice. Remember, the most common is this. If I were you, okay, if I were you, I would, and you should start giving the advice. This is not difficult. You have just to focus on what is the dilemma. And remember, when people ask you for giving advice, you have these phrases, and all of these phrases are on the book. You can start practicing, okay, in your workbook. The topic is just if I were you, okay? This you can find in lesson C. Okay, so that's all about just giving advice. Then I will explain a different topic, okay? That's it.